Millionaires attract wealth through a combination of mindset, habits, and actions. The concept of the law of attraction suggests that thinking positively about wealth can attract it into one's life. Additionally, rich people tend to think differently and have a genuine interest in abundance and prosperity. So in this video, we are going to discuss about how do millionaires attract wealth. The video is going to be amazing. Make sure to stick till the end. Now before we get into this video, make sure to hit that subscribe button and leave a comment below saying I subscribed. I will try my best to reply to as many comments as possible. There are a number of ways to attract wealth, but some experts believe that focusing on worthiness, believing in oneself, and giving from a place of genuine love and compassion are key. When you believe in yourself and your ability to achieve your goals, you are more likely to take the necessary steps to make them happen. Additionally, when you give from a place of love and compassion, you are not only helping others, but you are also opening yourself up to receiving more abundance. It is also important to shift from a hustler mentality to that of a boss. Hustlers are often focused on short-term gains, while bosses are more concerned with long-term success. Bosses understand the importance of balance, purpose, and investment. They know that it takes time and effort to build wealth, and they are willing to put in the work. Ultimately, attracting wealth involves a holistic approach that encompasses mindset, behavior, and a genuine interest in financial abundance. When you focus on all of these factors, you are more likely to achieve your financial goals. Set clear goals and create a plan for achieving them. Take action and don't give up. Surround yourself with positive people who support your goals. Believe in yourself and your ability to achieve success. Be grateful for what you have and give back to others. By following these tips, you can increase your chances of attracting wealth into your life. Mindset. Rich people believe that they are worthy of wealth and that they can create it. They focus on abundance and prosperity rather than scarcity and lack. They have a strong sense of self-worth and believe in their ability to achieve their goals. They are optimistic and believe that anything is possible if they set their minds to it. They are grateful for what they have and believe that they can always create more. Habits. Rich people are disciplined with their money and make smart financial decisions. They live below their means and save for the future. They invest their money wisely and create multiple streams of income. They are good at managing their time and energy. They are organized and efficient. Actions. Rich people take action to create wealth. They set goals and take steps to achieve them. They are not afraid to take risks, and they are willing to work hard. They are persistent and never give up on their dreams. Conclusion. There is no one-size-fits-all formula for creating wealth, but the principles outlined above can help you on your journey to financial success. The concept of the law of attraction suggests that thinking positively about wealth can attract it into one's life. This is based on the idea that like attracts like, so if you focus on positive thoughts and emotions, you will attract more positive things into your life, including wealth. There are a number of ways to practice the law of attraction. One way is to simply focus on your thoughts and make sure that you are thinking positively. This means avoiding negative thoughts about money, such as I'm never going to be rich, or I'm not good enough to be wealthy. Instead, focus on positive thoughts, such as I am open to receiving wealth, or I am worthy of financial abundance. Another way to practice the law of attraction is to visualize what you want. This means creating a clear and detailed picture in your mind of what your life would look like if you had all the wealth you desired. See yourself living in your dream home, driving your dream car, and wearing your dream clothes. Feel the emotions of gratitude and abundance as you visualize your ideal life. The law of attraction is not a magic wand, and it won't make you wealthy overnight. However, if you are willing to put in the work and focus on your thoughts and emotions, you can use the law of attraction to attract more wealth into your life. The law of attraction is the belief that like attracts like. In other words, if you think positive thoughts, you will attract positive things into your life. And if you think negative thoughts, you will attract negative things into your life. Additionally, rich people tend to think differently and have a genuine interest in abundance and prosperity. Rich people tend to have a different mindset than poor people. They believe that they are worthy of wealth and that they can create it. They focus on abundance and prosperity rather than scarcity and lack. They are also more likely to have a genuine interest in abundance and prosperity. They are curious about how wealth is created and they are willing to learn about it. Some experts advise focusing on worthiness, believing in oneself, and giving from a place of genuine love and compassion to attract wealth. There are many ways that millionaires attract wealth. Some of the most common include investing wisely. Millionaires typically invest their money in a variety of assets, such as stocks, bonds, real estate, and commodities. They do their research and understand the risks involved before making any investments. Earning a high income. Millionaires typically earn a high income from their careers. They may be entrepreneurs, business owners, or high-level executives. Living below their means. Millionaires live below their means and save a significant portion of their income. They avoid debt and focus on building wealth. Being financially savvy. Millionaires are financially savvy and understand the importance of saving and investing. They make informed financial decisions and are not afraid to take risks. Having a positive attitude. Millionaires have a positive attitude and believe in themselves. They are confident in their ability to achieve their financial goal. One way to attract wealth is to focus on your worthiness. This means believing that you are worthy of having wealth and that you deserve to have it. When you believe in your worthiness, you will be more likely to take action to create wealth. You also need to believe in yourself. This means having confidence in your ability to create wealth. When you believe in yourself, you will be more likely to take risks and to persevere when faced with challenges. Finally, it is important to give from a place of genuine love and compassion. This means giving without expecting anything in return. When you give from a place of love, you are opening yourself up to receiving more love and abundance. It's also important to shift from a hustler mentality to that of a boss, emphasizing the value of balance, purpose, and investment. The hustler mentality is focused on working hard and sacrificing everything for the sake of money. This mentality can be counterproductive in the long run, as it can lead to burnout and resentment. The boss mentality, on the other hand, is focused on creating wealth and building a successful business. This mentality emphasizes the value of balance, purpose, and investment. Ultimately, attracting wealth involves a holistic approach that encompasses mindset, behavior, and a genuine interest in financial abundance. There is no one-size-fits-all approach to attracting wealth. However, the principles outlined in this article can help you to create a mindset and habits that are conducive to wealth creation. Let us know your opinion in the comments section below. This was all for today. Hope you liked the video. Subscribe to our channel and stay tuned for more interesting videos. Stay safe, and we will be back soon with another video.